Hello and welcome to RHDS Music. In this video, we're going to look at the single drag. So let's get started. Now play with rhythm with the rough extended rudiments, starting with the single drag. Now here's the single drag with the basic sticking. And what I'm going to do is doing a right drag and a left drag and a right. 1, 2, 3, 4. I now play the single drag in eighth notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now play it in eighth note triplets, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now play it in 16th notes, 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and. Now play it in a 3/8 rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now what I'm going to do is show you the single drag applied to the drum set. And what I'm going to do is play it in different styles and in some different rhythms. And what I'll do is I'll play that same 3/8 rhythm and I'll play the last two notes on the high tom and the floor tom. It's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll play that in half time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. One and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now what I'll do is I'll play a 4-bar phrase and I'll play the single drag as a fill. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what I'll do is another fill with a different kind of feel, and what I'll do is I'll play a reggae feel. It's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll play that in half time. 1, 2, 3, and 4 and. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. And now what I'll do is I'll play this fill in a 4-bar phrase in a reggae feel. It sounds like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. The other thing you can do is play the single drag on the hi-hat with that 3/8 rhythm over, let's say, a 4 on the floor. And that sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. What I'm doing is slightly opening the hi-hat to get a little bit of a sizzle effect. Now here's that idea, adding the bass drum in quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now what I'll do is I'll play an improvisation utilizing this hi-hat idea. 1, 2. Have fun with this single drag rudiment and experiment with being creative in all different ways of applying it to the kit. I know this is one of my favorite rudiments and I use it all the time in my playing. Be sure to check out my website, robhartdrumstudio.com, and there you can check out my online courses that cover reading rhythms, hand and feet technique, groove independence, and much more. Until next time, happy practicing. For the holidays, I'm offering 50% off all my courses at RHDS Music. This is a limited time offer that ends January 1st, 2022. From all of us at RHDS Music, happy holidays.